Vlogmas day 15. It's December 14th, about 8:30 in the morning. Got a little out of sorts this morning. We did take our walk. Pat didn't want to go. It took us a little while to get out the door. Not that he didn't want to go. We both, I don't know, we didn't stay up real late, but we had, I don't know, we're sleepy this morning. So we got our walk in. I had my morning pages, and in doing that, I was really feeling the need to make a little art. I've been tossing it around since last month that I need to try to find a way to fit in even a few minutes of art in the morning before I start my day. So my routine ideally is to get up, take a walk, do some kind of exercise, and I don't know, do my morning pages, fit in some art. And I just feel like, you know, the more things I try to put in my routine, the longer that routine gets, and the more eating up of my day. Does that make sense? So I'm always working on like a routine, a morning routine, a night routine, a pattern to my days. And I think that's part of the struggle of being an artist and finding what works best. And I know the girls at the Ugly Art Club, Tiffany especially, have been advocates for 5 minutes of art is still making some art. And I think that's a great way to start my day. So if I can do just a few minutes in an art journal, then at least I've done something. I tried to do that here recently, and I think it's my addictive personality that I have to finish it. I have to keep going. I want to do more. And I couldn't stop making an art journal page, but I think if I can get in the practice of just starting to do a little bit, then I can come back later and add to it. And yeah, so I did that a little bit this morning. I don't think I recorded, well, I was watching the timer as I recorded. I don't think I showed y'all the whole 5 minutes that I did. I don't know what you'll get to see there, but it's a goal. So I think that's one of the things that I'm going to work on for 2024. I think I want to start now and start getting it amped up so that in 2024 I go into the year. I'm still trying to decide if I'm going to try to do junk journal January, is that what it's called, from Get Messy. Nina mentioned it to me and I had forgotten about it, and then I got the email from Get Messy, and I'm not a member of Get Messy, but you know, they have free offerings and things like that that you can be a part of. And of course, the cats are gonna start fighting just as I turn the camera on. Hold on. I don't know what's wrong with them. I just fed them. Anyway, I am blathering far too much about some of that, but let me know if you're trying to figure out what your goals are for the next year, and if you do some kind of daily journaling practice and what works for you. I'd really love to hear that, because I don't have a daily art practice, and I really need to. I have my morning pages that I do, but that's just journaling. Okay, speaking of art, let's open some art advents. I have, once again, the Arteza fine art calendar, advent calendar. Y'all, when I picked it up to bring it to the table, I was like, it feels so light. Half of it's gone. So let's see what day 14 holds for us. This is a long, skinny one right here for day 14. So let me see. Gotta get it in the right light. Oh, I tore the 14 right off. I guess I can journal with that. Being a little strong-handed. I hope I didn't tear too much of what it is off. Okay, this says, I didn't see. It is a white gel pen. All right. Every mixed media artist knows that we're constantly looking for a good white gel pen. So, or a white pen in general. So this is their Arteza gel pen. It's a 0.8, I guess, millimeter white. That is, let's see, can you see that tip? Put it in my hair. You see it better there. All right, I'll be playing with that later. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Nina Fickett and I, as I've mentioned before, have done a mixed media advent swap. We swapped 24 gifts with each other in 4 categories: overstocked, which meant from our stash; purchased, so something new we bought each other, or something we bought each other; handmade, and vintage. So those are the 4 categories, and I am going to see, oh, there is, okay, I can see on the back of this, it has this little strip here, which means if I've come to recognize what Nina's got me, it is something vintage. So I got, should I look? It just says vintage on the little paper that she has back here. So I am going to pull off this pretty little handmade tag and unwrap the paper. Oh, okay, these are, I can't ever remember what they're called. They're the little slides you put like a viewfinder that we had when we were young. I'm gonna open this and we can flip through it real quick. So this one, it says Metropolitan Series. I'm trying to see what the scene is. It's some kind of city street. View on the Pike. I don't know what the Pike is, y'all. All right, and this next one is, yeah, some kind of shrine, maybe. I'll have to get better light. I'm doing this by the Christmas tree light at the moment. This is a waterfall. Glory. Oh, it's Niagara Falls. It's Niagara. This is some kind of settlement, perhaps. A harvest near in Palestine. And then this one is in Russia. It looks like salt. Yeah. So very cool. And it's funny because what I sent to Nina today, I didn't consider it vintage. I considered it overstock. It's a bunch of keys. I have a nice collection of keys and buttons. I have nice collections of all kinds of mixed media supplies, and I know that Nina likes the buttons. So yeah, I've sent her some buttons, not buttons, buttons are on the brain. I've sent her some keys. I've already sent her buttons. So yeah, I sent her a collection. I don't even remember how many keys. So I'm hoping she likes those. I have been super chatty. Let's see, today I really want to get some shopping done, but I also need to go by the gallery and the antique store if I can to spruce up the booths, check on stock, those kind of things. And what else did I want to do today? Today's bill paying day. That's in watering plants. So those are my big chores for today, and I kind of want to get to it. So stores should be opening soon, I believe. So I'm going to fix me another cup of coffee, make a super quick list, and maybe pay the bills, and then head on out. And we'll see how far I get. I think I'm gonna start with the shopping this morning and get that, and then do the booths in the afternoon, I think. Yeah. All right, guys, let's have a Thursday. It's been a day, y'all. I've been shopping pretty much all day. I came home for lunch and then went back out again. Of course, when I went back out, I had to go to the gallery and the antique store and check on my booths and things like that. Add a couple things here and there and that kind of thing. But I'm back home and I've decided to sort the stocking stuffers to kind of get an idea of how much I have, where I'm lacking, that kind of thing. So I have got a Sharpie and some paper bags, and I'm putting names on them, and I'm just gonna sit on the floor and start just sorting these things, and yeah, isn't that fun? So I'll give you a look at what I've got going on here. I am making dinner now. I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. My feet hurt from shopping all day. Oh, I've got 1 minute. I'll probably have more than that. I'm making a super simple dinner. Once a week I try to make soup. We like soup. Thursday night is soup night. This is probably one of our favorites, and it is the easiest thing. It is a creamy tomato tortellini soup. I found it on the Plain Chicken site. I will try to link it below. But in her recipe, she has 2 cups of half and half and 2 cups of chicken stock. We found that completely too rich. So I do 3 cups of chicken stock and then another cup of either cream or half and half, because I don't often have milk on hand, but I usually have cream. So, whatever. But I do a bit more chicken stock, and then it's some Parmesan and tomato soup and cheese tortellini and some spices, and then I make some garlic bread. So that's what this is singing over here, and I'm checking on it. So we're gonna give it another minute at least. I'm still learning my new oven and like things like making garlic bread. So we're gonna have that. Hopefully I do get this Vlogmas day 15 up. I might combine it with tomorrow, since today was kind of just a lot of me shopping. Y'all got to see, I went to Target. I went to, where else did I show y'all? I showed y'all a little bit of downtown Fairhope. Not much. I did do some shopping down there. I didn't even get any of the antique store or the gallery because I was just in and out real fast. So yeah, it's been a day, but I believe I have stockings done. So, and as far as gifts, I really only need a couple more. I think a bunch are coming in tomorrow, and then I have a couple I need to order online, and then I've got to figure out my nieces, because that's, yeah. Okay, there's the time.